As you can see from the video, there are horrible floods in Nairobi. Are we being punished for our sins? Is this happening because of our promiscuous behavior? As you'll see from this video, there are so much floods going on. There's so much flooding going on in Nairobi. There's water everywhere. You have to walk with your gumboots when you're leaving your house for work. There are places where people can't even leave their houses. I don't know how they are surviving. This is the current situation for people owning kibandas in Nairobi. Are these floods being caused by the president's prayers? I hear people say that if Baba was the president of Kenya, none of this would be happening. But are we being delusional? You can't even walk in peace. You can't walk without gumboots. You have to wear your gumboots wherever you go. This is the current situation in Nairobi County. There's floods everywhere. Is it because of our sins as Nairobians? See how it's flooding everywhere. Literal floods everywhere, destroying property, destroying roads. See how this woman is struggling to go to her occupation. It's so sad. There's so much flooding everywhere. What are we going to do as Nairobians? This is not something that we have seen before. How are we going to cope with this as Nairobians? Look at the traffic on the road. This is nothing I have seen before in my country or in my city. How are we going to cope with this as Nairobians? Some people can't even leave their homes because of the flood. There's water everywhere. Some houses, they have water around them. I can't imagine living such a life. For the first time in my life, I am grateful to live in an apartment. It is so sad and it's shocking for us. What are we going to do as Nairobians? Look at the traffic along Thika Road on your way to Juja. Cars everywhere, there's commotion. The traffic isn't even moving. There's cars everywhere. People are looking for shortcuts, and there is no shortcut. Is this a punishment by God for Nairobians? It looks really bad. There is so much traffic. Nothing like anyone has seen before. I never thought Nairobi could be affected this much by floods. But this is the current situation. Just look at Thika Road. There's cars everywhere. I wonder where this traffic reaches. I couldn't follow the traffic because I had other activities. But this is the current situation in Nairobi. Water everywhere. It's not safe for us to walk on foot. Even those with boots are not safe because the water can carry you very easily. I know there are some people who didn't make it to work today because of the floods in Nairobi. So sad. What are we going to do? We are going to have to pray for our country. There's so much flood It's unsafe for us, and we don't know how far it can go. This is just a first day. God have mercy upon us.